Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So you guys know I absolutely adore my other VanTrue dashboard in my Hyundai Elantra, but today I have my 2025 N-Line Hyundai Elantra, my green one, and I got the Element 1 Pro VanTrue dash cam. It is so itty bitty tiny, and I'm very excited because it's legit this big. This dash cam is gonna be perfect for road trips, any accidents that happen, like, you know, you need proof. This is the proof. It's got 4K, 30 frames per second, HDR, voice control, Wi-Fi, free APP, GPS logger, 24/7 parking monitor, magnetic assist mount, super capacitor, extreme temp protection, CPL filter, remote controller, LTE connectivity, and so much more. And it's legit this big. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and install it in my 2025 N-Line Hyundai Elantra. And let's go get some groceries because I am low. So let's do it. Also, it came with 128 gigs chip, and that will come in handy. So we're in my 2025 Hyundai N-Line Elantra. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy here. All right. I'm excited to see how small it is. Okay, we've got the user manual here. We have all the cables here. Bam. This is how tiny. Oh my, wow. This is gonna look great. I love how portable it is. Come out of the packaging, come out. Yes, okay. It's literally so small. Let's put it on my car. So this is called the Smart Cube. It is voice controlled. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It looks so beautiful. Holy. Yes, please. Let's attach this bad boy. Screws right on. Just like that. Huh, I love the little stickers. Now on recording from VanTrue. Oh, these are so cute. Protected by VanTrue dash cams. That's cute. This is the 128 gigabyte memory card. Let's go ahead and stick it right on in there. Click. I'm gonna need a little fingernail action for that. There you go. So I connected my phone to the device through Wi-Fi, and watch this. Take a photo. Oh, voice control, baby. I really like the way you can control everything through one app. You can start recording, you can take a photo, you can look at everything that the camera's looking at. That is pretty sick. It is now mounted, ready to go. Let's go run some errands. Doo-doo! This dashcam also comes with exclusive plate pix technology designed to capture license plates with enhanced clarity and providing clearer evidence in the event of disputes. Fun little road trip. We went to Walmart, we did a few other things. I made a fool out of myself running in front of the camera, and I'm absolutely obsessed with how small it is. Like, you can't even see it. It's completely out of the way when you're driving. It's absolutely perfect for just, you know, adaptability in a car. That is what technology should be used for. It's like hiding in plain sight. So VanTrue, you did it again. Also, before I forget, VanTrue is celebrating 10 years of keeping these roads safe, so shout out to y'all. The link is below if you guys want to check them out. Don't miss their anniversary specials. And if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you, VanTrue. Mwah, mwah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.